him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I wanted to thank you guys for getting me to 500 subscribers. It is super awesome. Been a long time coming, it seems like. And I just wanted to give a quick channel update and talk about a few things as well. So, today is my only day off. I work 6 days a week, and I've had some builds on the back burner to get done for other people, and some other stuff coming up, and I wanted to start getting those done. So today I spent about 7 hours on my day off and did a bunch of recording, drilling, and stripping, and cleaning and polishing, and I worked on about 9 cars today and got them all to the point of about ready to have them ready to go into paint. That being said, you know, we have the Subscriber's Choice coming up this week for the October build. Head over to the voting to vote for the November build. I'll have to get this cleaned up more. I'm putting the oils from my fingers in it. But there's that. Diecast International Builders. We have the holiday build coming up the 5th of December. And these 2 cars are for that. So you're going to want to watch that video for sure when it comes out, because I decided that I'm going to give these 2 cars away, so we'll figure that out and how we're going to do that after that video. I probably will by the time I finish the video, I'll come up with a way to give these away. And that being said, I have some cars that some people know that I'm building for them, and I have some cars that some people don't know that I'm building for them. And those were in the group of cars that I was working on today. If you remember, Jay at Jay's Diecast Creations gave me these axles. He had a Hot Wheels Redline Sweet 16 Diora. And, well, the guy that gave them to him told him that he couldn't have those, but he had the Gasline as one. So he sent me, I was like, hey, you know, we were talking one night, if you not going to do anything with those axles, I'd love to have them. So he sent me the Diora. I rolled it apart, got the axles out, sent it back to him, and he wanted to know for sure, let him know when the video was that I'm going to use these in the build. That is coming up. Okay, I got a car. And it's super awesome because they're going in a car that I'm giving away. So we'll see that coming up pretty soon. The pay it forward cars. Alright, so there was a situation where there was a mix-up in shipping from an eBay seller, and he refunded my money, and not only I had to, you know, sent me a shipping label to send the car back to him that I got that was wrong, which was one of these with an interior, and it did look a lot better. But I had bought 3 King Cudas off of him, I believe, is what they were. And he not only sent those cars to me, refunded my purchase price completely, but sent me these 2 cars as well. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to restore these cars and send them on to somebody else. So we have a US custom Corvette, and we have a Hong Kong hot heap. And I talked about possibly making a mold from an interior and making an interior. In the meantime, I contacted Vince Scott over at Second Chance Redlines, and he not only had one of these interiors, he actually gave it to me. And this is going to help restore this car. This is going to be for 500 guys. These two cars right here is going to be my 500 subscriber giveaway. So look for those to be coming up soon. I haven't started them yet. I'm going to get some other things done. I'm looking to probably get them done in a few weeks. I'll take a look at what I have going on with my time over the next week. Also, Diecast International Builders, we're working on the schedule for next year. So we'll have the full schedule out. Offhand, I know right now, January is 4-door muscle cars. February is rat rods. February 14th, we have a special invitational, and it's Summer Roses Love Boat. So if you have a boat, love to have you build with us. Turn a car into a boat, turn a boat into a car, don't matter. Have a boat pull a car or a car pull a boat. Whatever you want to do, man, it doesn't matter. As long as you want to have some fun and join in with us, that'd be great. We'd love to have you for February 14th. And then March is going to be any Mercedes. We're also working on, getting an announcement video for that as well, but I wanted to put those three out there for now. Check me out on Instagram, okay? Go over there, check me out. If you're not on there, sign up, whatever. Follow me, Diecast_Pirate. There's a link on my channel. If you go to my channel and click on the link for Instagram, it's in the description as well of the video. But head on over there and check me out. I'm doing some awesome stuff over there. Putting cars up on turntables that you don't see in these videos and things like that. I have so many cars, I can't show them all in this video. Not doing, what's in the case anymore, things like that. So I figured that's a good way to kind of show off what I have and let you guys enjoy it too. So I've been doing that over there. I think that's going to be about it for now. So 500 subscriber giveaway is coming up. We got the subscriber's choice next week. We have the holiday build for the Diecast International Builders coming out December 5th. And yeah, got some other stuff coming up too. So keep watching. I have, not including these two, I have 9 cars that I'm building to give away in one way or another. So stay tuned for that, guys. I appreciate you. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, go on down there and click that subscribe button for me if you would. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a like. Click that like button. Leave a comment down below. Ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.